from the company MulWark makes titanium cobalt step bits, universal, 3 different sizes for your drilling needs, metal, wood, and more. We're going to open up the box and demonstrate with the hole punch and show you the drilling. What you get inside are 3 in packages and package hole punch with an additional hole punch tip. 3/8 drill bit. Let's remove the drill and take out from the packaging by sliding across, grabbing the small bit, giving you a nice close-up look at the bit. It simply fits into the drill's chuck head and tightened down. With chuck heads like so, they could fit in and drill. Simply place into the chuck, lock down. With metal, hole punch, simply place, with pressure, tap. Hole is made. Simply press and tap. As we're through and drilling, we'll demonstrate going through. Increases the size of the hole to drilling in wood and tapping a hole. Simply screw. From 1/4, 3/16, and so forth. We'll show you the big one drilling through diameter. Please remember to peel off the tips of the bits. With his casings to place back each of the bits. For your woodworking, carpentry, and more, you have your 3 bits with the hole punch for your drilling needs. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you are looking for in your Cobalt titanium AUG drill bits. Thank you very much for viewing. I hope the product may be right for you.